Hello friends, you welcome to my complete Java course. This video lecture is the continuation of my previous video lecture. So in the previous video lecture we learned the string class, what is the string constant pool, constructor of the string class and some important method of the string class. So in this video lecture we are going to learn discuss about the string methods one by one. So let's start. Number one is a length method. This method returns the number of character in the string. String sentence equal to new string welcome. If we check string.length method, it will give a integer type the result which shows the length of the string or number of character in the string. So the output will be 7. Okay, so let's do the practical one by one. Create a string class. String s1 equal to new string Ghanshyam, then print the length of the string s1 dot length and just run it. You will get the output 9. So the length of the Ghanshyam string is 9. Now the next method is character at an integer. Parameters integer means this Java method return the character at ith index. Suppose you create a string with the value welcome, and if you call the character at method with passing the index 5th, so index is start from the 0, so you will get the output from 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 is m, so index always start from the 0. So let's I show you. Now call the s1 dot character at 5. If we run this program, so h, the 5th index value is 5th. H index is start from the 0, so we count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5th index value is h, so it will print the value h. Next method is string substring method and pass the integer value. This method returns the ith index substring. Means suppose if you pass a 5, then 5 after the 5 including the 5th index and after the 5th index, all the element will be printed. So substring method print the substring from the string. Okay, so let's call the substring method on the index 5. If you run this program, you will get the HYAM. So HYAM is the substring from the 5th index. Now the next method is string substring method with two parameters. This method in Java returns the substring from I to j minus 1 index. Suppose if you pass a substring 2 and 5. 2 and 5. So second index is 0, 1, 2. So it will print L, but till when 5. So it will come check 0, 1, 2, 3. No 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So last second index is 5th. So it will count 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just keep one thing in mind. The static index first value is count from the 0 and the next value is count from the 1. So the output is LCO. Suppose if you 2.5, and if you run this program, you will get the output ANS. Why ANS? Second index is 0, 1, 2. So A. But let's see. What is saying that? From I to j minus a. J minus a means if you are passing the index j, then j minus 1 is 4. So next index is j 5 minus 1 is 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from a and s, from a to s, it will print. Now next method is concate method. This method concatenates the specified string to the end of this string. Suppose you create a string hello and you concate the hi. So in the name variable, now after the concate, the string will be hello hi. Now next method is index of string s. This method in Java return the index within the string of the first occurrence of the specified string. Means suppose you create a string class with welcome value, and you call the index of method on the string sentence dot index of e. Means you want to know what is the index of the e character in the welcome string. So it will give the index. So if you print the index, it will give the 1 1 because the e is on the first index. Next method is boolean equals. This method compares this string to the specified string. Suppose you create a two string s1 equal to hi and string s2 equal to bye. So the content of both strings is different. So it will check the content s1 dot equals to s2. Output will be false. Next method is string lowercase. This method converts all the characters in the string to the lowercase. Suppose you have a string hello in the uppercase, and if you want to convert into the lowercase, call the to lowercase method. Like, okay, suppose you have a method, you have a s1 dot to lowercase. Okay, now you print hello in the small letters. In the same way, there is a one method string uppercase method which convert the your lowercase string to the uppercase string. Next method is stream method. This method returns the copy of the string to removing white space at the both ends. It does not affect white space in the middle. Example, here we create a string object. So there are a space from starting and the end and the middle. But trim method remove the space from the starting at the end. So you will get the output hello world. Suppose you have a string with the sum, okay, and if you call the trim method, and print it, all the white spaces has removed. Next method is replace method. Replace method is this method return new string by replacing all occurrence of old character with new character. Suppose you have a string hello and you replace h with e. So you will get the replace string. Suppose you have a white space here. Okay. So just remove it. Okay. Now what do? You s1 dot remove. Sorry, remove replace. replace L to K. Okay, so you get the output changing L to K. Next method is to uppercase to convert the method into the to convert the string to the uppercase. Next method is okay, we have discussed the trim method. Okay, so next method is contains method. Contains method, the Java string contains method searches the sequence of characters in the string. It returns true if sequence of character values are found in this string, otherwise return false. So contains and pass the string sequence. So here we create a contains example, create a main method, create an string. In this string we are checking name.contains do you know. So do you know is present in this, so it will print true. So let's go for the practically. Suppose here we have hi Ghanshyam, how are you? Okay, now you call the s1 dot contains method how are you. Okay, now if you run this program, it will give the true. Next method is public boolean ends with and string suffix. The Java string ends with method checks if this string ends with given suffix or not. It return true if this string ends with given suffix, else return false. Example. So here we create a class ends with example, create a main method and create a string class object and call the s1 dot ends with m. So it checks the string ends with m or not. It will give the true. So okay, now in this case if we call the s1 dot ends with u, run it. Yes, true. So this string ends with u. Check its end with o. No, it's a false. So friends, these are the mostly basically used string methods. So in this video we'll we are ending this video here. In the next video we'll learn the immutability of the string class, or why string class is immutable, and how to create our own class as an immutable class in the next video. So thank you for watching this video and watch my next video for learning new things in string class.